Hi guys, I would love to give you a style illustration or analysis of how you can recreate this beautiful dress. But before we continue, I would love to give credit to the amazing designer who made this amazing piece of garment. This is so beautiful. So if you love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So the first thing is, this is a mermaid dress. It's a mermaid dress, and at the hemline it has crinoline, which gave it a beautiful look. And on the side, it has a side train. So this side train, you can create it by making two circle skirts together, and the bodice part of the dress is an asymmetric off shoulder, and the other part has skin tone mesh illusion. And on top of the skin tone mesh illusion, there is lace applique and beading that has been beautifully put on top of the applique. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.